Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you can't connect to this network error that you're receiving on your Windows computer. This should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the start menu. Just left click on the start button one time. Type in network. One of the best managers should come back with device manager here. Left click on that one time. Now you want to go ahead and expand the network adapter section. So either double click on it or left click on the little arrow next to it to expand the drop down. And then whatever your network adapter is listed in here that doesn't say mini port, you want to go ahead and right click on it and then left click on update driver. Try searching automatically for updated driver software. You might have to go online and actually just go look up your network adapter and then manually download and install it. A lot of these software companies actually have their own driver automatic utilities that will download and install it for you, so you might want to look into that as well. Also try searching for updated drivers on Windows Update as well. You can also try right clicking and then uninstalling the device, and then when you restart your computer it should become reinstalled. That's another thing you can try, so close it here. One more thing, if you're on Windows 10, go open up the start menu, type in troubleshoot. My best match should come back with troubleshoot settings, and left click on that. You want to go down on the right side and where it says get up and running, select internet connections. And then left click on run the troubleshooter. So go ahead and just walk through any prompts that it suggests on your screen here, so hopefully be able to find something. Another thing you do is if you scroll down on here, select the network adapter one, and then left click and run the troubleshooter for that one as well. Another thing you can try would be to open up the start menu, type in network reset. Best match should come back with network reset, left click on that. Please note that this will remove and reinstall all of your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Your PC will be restarted. Left click on the reset now button. You'll be prompted, are you sure you want to reset your network settings? Left click on yes. So you will have to restart your computer at this time here, so it will prompt you to sign out and restart. You might have to enter back in your Wi-Fi password when you restart your computer, so that's just a possibility, so make sure you have that handy. And that should hopefully be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.